Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Dave from Dave's 2 Cents, and I know it's been a while, it's been several months, but I'd like to give some updates to Reavnt optics that I had told you that I was going to do, and I just got a little sidetracked, but I wanted to give these updates and let you know what I think of these products and their tech support and how well they are. So here we go. I just wanted to give a shout out to Reavnt Optics. I had an issue with a scratch on one of the lenses after I gave a review. About a month later, I had gotten a scratch on one of the lenses and it was interfering with my line of sight. So I reached out to them, and they contacted me within 24 hours. They were great, expedient, courteous, and they said yes, they can help me. They needed a picture. I sent it to them. They approved it a few hours late. Well, the next day. They got back to me, and they had already sent out a new pair of my chrome black, which are really cool looking. And I had them within total from beginning to end, from contacting them to when I got them. It was only about 7 or 8 days, but I got my new pair here and haven't installed them yet. I am going to soon. I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to let you guys know, great company, fast, courteous, and very fast service. And even with all this pandemic stuff, they were nice to me, very understanding about the lenses in question, and they were very helpful and sent them right out, and I'm very pleased. They're American made, as I've said in my other video about the lenses. Just reiterating that, very good company, and it's hard to find a good company that backs their products. Not everybody will do that, unfortunately, and there's a lot of other companies that make lenses, but from all the reviews that I saw, these were the ones to get. There's lots of different colors and such, but the tech support was A+ in my opinion. And it's just my opinion, but that's what I think, and I will be recommending these to my friends and family and you guys. And so if you want to check them out, that would, I have no affiliation with them at all. I'm just a satisfied customer and really appreciate them, want them to know that I really like them and I support them, and I will be buying them again probably in the near future to get a different color. And so you should check them out too, or at least look at them and see what you think. I like them, you may not, and but that's okay too. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.